Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Recently, I have started doing my nails with dip powder, and this HiMo kit has really sped up the process to remove it. I love how this kit comes with extra features like this polish remover bottle because it makes it easier to get the remover out. You just put it on a little cloth swabs, you put it on your finger, and then you attach the little clips. And then you just let your finger sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's just so much easier to remove because you put a little bit of extra polish remover on the swab and then you work it and it makes it easier to come off, speeds up the process. And then the little nail tools that come with it are handy because you can take care of your cuticles or any other difficulties with your nails. I have been really enjoying doing my nails with the dip powder, and it has a learning curve, so taking it off can be a little bit challenging. However, when you have things that can speed up the process, it really makes it nice. So I've been really happy with this little kit, and that is just my point of view.